guys, welcome back to my another video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and smash the like button. And today we'll be unboxing the Canon M50 Video Creator Kit. So let's unbox it now. So in this video creator kit, you'll get a Rode Videomic Go microphone and a 32 GB SD card and a Canon EOS M50 camera. So let's see the features about the camera now. 24.1 megapixels, dual pixel autofocus, APS-C, viewfinder, Very angle LCD, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth. So let's see what's in the camera box. Here's the user manual, warranty card, product registration. Here's the camera strapped. Here's the 15 to 45 mm lens. So see it. There it is. It's so cool. Here's the battery. Here's the adapter. And here's the camera. Wow, the camera is so cool. The camera is compact and really nice. So let's see the features now. Here's the shutter button, record button, on-off button, the mount for the Rode Videomic Go microphone, and here's the flip LCD screen. High-speed dual pixel CMOS autofocus. So this is a flip screen. If you turn it like this, you can take videos, photos in a selfie mode. Here's the HDMI port. And here's the microphone slot. Here's the NFC. Here's the battery slot and SD card. And here's a tripod mount. Built-in electronic viewfinder. I already fixed the lens. Now I'll put the battery. Now let's put the SD card in. Now let's close it. Very angle touch LCD monitor. The camera is ready to use now, but it's low battery, so I'm going to charge it. Digic 8 new imaging processor. Eye detection autofocus. The camera automatically focuses on an eye of a person's face. High-speed continuous shooting. Automatic image transfer to your computer. Transfer images to a smartphone when shooting. So the camera is charging now. In the meantime, we're going to be unboxing the Rode Videomic Go. So let's see the features. 2-year warranty. No battery required, lightweight. So let's see it. Wow, the microphone is so soft and good. Here's the microphone. Here's the manual. And here's the cable to connect the camera. Let's connect it now. Wow, it's really cool. It's really useful for the YouTubers. So hereafter, I'm going to use this camera for my future YouTube vlogs. Overall, this camera is so useful because it's lightweight and the mic comes along with it. I recommend this camera to all YouTube vloggers. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye!